Hi guys, ito sinipag ako magluto today. Nagkapagluto ng munggo with galonggong yan guys, and the shrimp. Ayan. So, ready na maglagay ng ating dahon ng ampalaya. Excited na kumain ng aking early supper. So yun lang guys, luto na yung aking munggo with ampalaya leaves, shrimp, and shredded galonggong. So let's eat now. Thank you all for watching.